Okay, let's come to this question. If y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2. In the first video, I have told you about y2. What does y2 means? It is second order derivative. Y2 means it is a second order derivative, and y1 means it is a first order derivative. I have written in the first video the symbols y2 and y1. Y2 stands for second order and y1 stands for first order. Is it clear? So y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Okay? So do the derivative first order dy by dx. 3 into derivative of cos log x. First finish the cos. So minus sin log x. Again ddx of log x is how much? 1 by x. First finish the derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is minus sin log x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus, okay, you put it in here only. This is not product function, this is simple direct function. First finish the derivative of cos sin log x, then this is a chain rule, completely chain rule, plus 4. First do the derivative of sin cos of log x, again use the chain rule, derivative of log x. What is derivative of log x? 1 by x. So x you can see here also by x, here also by x. So put this by x in the left side. That means it will come x dy by dx. There is denominator x, take the LCM and put it in left side. So minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Okay? Again, now this became the product of two functions, x and dy by dx. X and dy by dx. Differentiating with respect to x. This is the product of two functions. That means ddx of x into dy by dx. Product function. First function is variable x, second one is derivative. So this is also product of two functions. So ddx of minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. So this is product of two functions, x and dy by dx. Okay, x and dx. So first function into ddx of dy by dx is second order plus dy by dx into ddx of x is 1. Is it clear or not? First product of two functions, x into dy by dx. First function into ddx of dy by dx is second order. Again dy by dx into ddx of x is 1. Here minus 3 ddx of sin, finish the derivative of sin cos of log x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus 4 ddx of cos log x, first finish the derivative of cos, that means 1 minus sin log x into chain rule ddx of log x, it will be 1 by x. Here also there is x. Here is also there is x. Okay, there is x. So put in the left side. So what you will get? X square d2y dy square. This x. Here is also x. Here is also x. Take in left side. So x into x square. Again here also it will one come x dy by dx. Equal to take minus common. 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. What is this actually? It is equation 1. What is this actually? What is this? So x square d2y dx square plus x dy by dx. It is nothing but minus y. Check here. This is y. 3 cos log x plus 4 log x. This is y from equation 1. So ultimately keep it here, x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y, you bring it here, plus y equal to 0. Okay. So see in the question, y equal to this, you have to prove this. You have to prove this. Okay. You have got the result. Check here, properly you check it, you will get the result. Here also 3 cos log x plus 4 sin, show that this one, you have to show. I have done the derivatives. There is x, I have kept it in the left side. Then this became product of two functions. Use the product of two functions, do the derivative. Again one more x will come, take in the left side. And this is nothing but y. Okay? So do this problem. Is it clear? Okay. Let's come to this question. If e to the power y x plus 1 is equal to 1, show that second order is equal to first derivative whole square. Okay. So take this one, e to the power y x plus 1 is equal to 1. So e to the power y equal to 1 by x plus 1. So differentiate for the first time, ddx of e to the power x equal to ddx of 1 by x plus 1. Okay? You cannot differentiate a variable with respect to another variable. So what you should do? dy of e to the power y into dy by dx. We should write or not? Okay, then what is dy of e to the power y? dy of e to the power y is e to the power y dy by dx. 1 dy by dx will come. And this is what? Division of two functions, x plus 1 into ddx of 1 minus 1 into ddx of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So ddx of 1 is 0. So what you will get? E to the power y dy by dx. ddx of 1 is 0. Minus 1 into ddx of x is 1. So you will get minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So what is e to the power y? It is equation 1. What is e to the power y? E to the power y is 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 divided by e to the power y is, you see, 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square from equation 1. So x plus 1 and 1 is cancelled. So what you will get? Dy by dx is minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. So you move to this part in here. Dy by dx is minus 1 by x plus 1. So again differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Approach from here. So ddx of dy by dx equal to ddx of minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. So ddx of dy by dx means dy by dx square, and minus, take minus common, ddx of 1 by x plus 1. So d2y by dx square. Just now you got ddx of 1 by x plus 1. What you got? ddx of 1 by x plus 1, you got minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Minus ddx of 1 by x plus 1. What you got? Minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. You got or not? Suppose, sorry. Yes, ddx of 1 by x plus 1, you have got minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay. So next, d2y by dx square will be minus minus plus, so 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So d2y by dx square, can I write like this? Minus 1 by x plus 1 whole thing square. Can I write or not? Minus square means plus, plus 1. So d2y by dx square. What is this whole thing? Let us put this one as equation 2. Let us put this one as equation 2. Okay? Then this means what? This means dy by dx. This means what? Minus 1 by x plus 1 means what? Dy by dx. So I can write this one as dy by dx whole square. From where? From equation 2. Check the problem properly. Is it clear or not? E to the power y x plus 1 is equal to 1. I have done kept in here. Then did the derivative. We approached like this. We got this one. Then e to the power y means 1 by x plus 1. How we got e to the power y as 1 by x plus 1? From equation 1. Okay, so x plus 1, 1x plus 1 cancelled out, we got this one. Then you move to here. Again you differentiate this one. Okay, so you got second order minus ddx of 1 by x plus. ddx of 1 by x plus 1 you have already got minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Minus minus cancel. So we can put here minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, minus minus plus. So this means dy by dx from equation 2. Okay, so this is all about your problems of second order derivative. This is all about the problems of second order derivative. Is it clear or not? This you check those videos and try to understand the second order derivatives. I have done some problems. Now you try to understand the concept behind this second order derivative. Okay, thank you.